Yo, happy Monday, people. How's it going? Let's put some music on. Unfortunately, we got the competition, the community competition that is currently live. And unfortunately, guys, I closed the account, my own account by accident. And I can't, because the registration is closed, I can't get back in. I messed up. But I've opened up 100K. I'm going to try and trade it alongside you guys. Next time I'll have to jump in. But it's kind of frustrating. I wanted to show Jones. I wanted to be against the boys, but it's just not going to happen, unfortunately. So now I know how everything works. I won't press any buttons to close my account before I should. But anyway, what is going on, everybody? Tell me what you're all trading today. Tell me what's everybody, what positions people are in. We'll go through the charts. I'll have a look and see if there's any trading opportunities. At the moment, we got 16% up. We had another 5%. We did have somebody that was up 50%, but unfortunately that trader is no longer with us. So he won't be participating in the rest of the challenge. But you guys are here, and at the moment, some people are making some good profits. So let's jump into the charts. Let's have a look and see what is going on. So obviously, there's been a lot of news recently over the weekend. There's been intervention in the yen. They're trying to prop up their currency by selling the US dollar. So we've had obviously a weak dollar. You can see this massive push off. People, traders, institutions, nobody really knows what is going to happen. So what are they doing? They're flocking to this. So they're flocking to gold. Silver as well, 6% up in the day. Gold, 2% up in the day. Recently over London, we haven't really had anything that is actually, we've just been trying to push over this level. Every single time we've actually failed. It looks like we want to go higher. Do I really want to be buying here? Probably not. We'll have to see within this session what I plan to do. Looking at silver as well, it's very, very difficult because you don't really want to be trying to sell the top. But also, do you really want to be buying up here without a valid pullback? I really don't know. Something for me is very, very difficult buying up in these areas. But at the moment, everything is bullish territory, pushing up, lots of volume. Obviously, we had the gap, we had the Asian session push up around about 1%. It's been an interesting one. So let's have a look at the FTSE. So the FTSE hasn't really been doing too much in London session. Now it's starting to push up. We obviously had this area of prior demand. So yeah, regarding the duck race that we had on Friday, couldn't find. I can't remember what the guy's name is. Let me have a look. Couldn't find the guy in Trustpilot. None of his details. So yeah, 2-star. You were one of those people. I'll have a look and see who the second person was, and you guys can have the accounts. Don't worry. I'll go back over the Friday live stream, and I'll check it over. Okay. Since you're here all the time, and since you got lucky, you did get lucky. Your duck did come second, so we'll give you that. We'll give you that account. Let's have a look. What else have we got? So FTSE pushed off. Go on. Since you guys, since everybody's here for the duck race, we'll do one more person gets another 10k. So we'll still do the duck race, but 2-star you'll get a 10k. Okay. Let's have a look. US dollar still, we're stuck into this lower time frame range. Nothing really for me. I don't really want to get long until we break above this area. I don't really want to get short really until we break firmly into that. It's a bit of no-go zone. EU, we've already broke down underneath this Asian session low. So we've already done that reversal. So we came up, pushed down, took out the low, and now we're pushing up to take out that Asian session high. So very, very, very nice trade. Let's just wait and see what happens. Let's see. So yeah, 2-star. You get the runner-up prize. You get the 10. You can have the 10k account, but we'll still do a giveaway here as well. So we're still going to do a duck race, but 2-star, you'll be able to get one of those 10k accounts. Okay. Really, if we're taking from the high to this low, we're coming into an area of the 50 fib. Difficult, man. I'm really not sure. I'm really not seeing anything that I really would like to go. Long. Don't really want to be buying up here. We're at literally the 5k mark. Let's have a look at some of the other. Let's have a look at the S&P. S&P pushing up. Looks like it's a risk on the day. Can have a look at the DXY. The DXY, we're currently sitting at the bottom of this range. This is a range, and we've been in this range for quite a long time. Unless we break this range, then it is still what it is. Harish, what can I say, man? What can I, I don't know what you want me to say. Yeah. No, I think everything was very, 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 very clear, to be honest. But again, we're on a live trading room. It's not relevant here. Speak to the risk department. You've got their email address, all right? So coming into this area, the Dixie, don't really want to be shorting just yet. Let's have a look at some of these others. British pound on the dollar. Everything against the dollar is totally bullish. Even Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is really, really, really pushing. Bro, you are the CEO. No, my friend, I'm not the CEO. I'm not the CEO. The CEO definitely doesn't have time doing live trading rooms. I don't think he trades anymore, to be honest. He's too busy doing everything more important stuff than sitting like us, just trying to find ways to short gold. Bitcoin, all of crypto really looks up as well. Solana back at the range lows. Don't know, guys. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the yen pairs. So yeah, yen pairs are getting propped up at the moment. So you can see everything against them is down. USD yen got smashed, absolutely smashed. Is there a potential to get a mean reversion trade? I don't think so. I don't think a mean reversion trade on this. I saw on the leaderboard in your trades are like pro gambler. It's not good, bro. You'd be up 80% in 2 days and then blow an account the next day. It's not good. Like, you ask me, I say when you're on your challenges and stuff, risk heavy, definitely. You don't want to be stuck on a challenge waiting to pass. There's risking heavy, and then there's risking everything. You know, it's a shame. It is a big shame. Anyway, let's get back on to silver. It's really struggling at the moment to break this particular level. Now, I'm not saying we should short it, but I want to kind of short it. Which sounds crazy. We are definitely doing the duck race. First, I want to see if we can get into any kind of mean reversion trade on gold. In theory, that would be... interesting. We can get under all these EMAs, and I might go for that. We go for something like that. Difficult. What are you guys trading anyway? Tell me, what have you guys been looking at? Let's have a look at the leaderboard quickly. Okay, so sell, mate. 10 lots on gold. Crazy, you lot are nuts. 9 lots, 1 lot. It's 10 lots. Guys are nuts. Fair enough. Look at that open price. That's a nice trade. Yeah, FundingRock crypto withdrawals. So look, if you've got a crypto withdrawal, if you want a withdrawal on crypto, you would send at the moment, this is how it works. You'll send support an invoice, or you send support that you want to take your withdrawal via crypto. They will send you the details for the invoice. You send the invoice. Bada boom, bada bing, you'll get it through crypto. We are working on getting a better way of doing it. At the moment, that is the way we're doing it. Really nice trades again on this. I literally don't know what to. I don't know what to say. I'm not even gonna comment on this. I'm not commenting on this. Not gonna bother. Crazy. Crazy. Nice. Nice. To be honest, I can't believe the run up, but also everything on the macro as well. You've got the intervention. You've got the intervention with the yen. You've got all of Trump going after the EU. I don't know what's going on with that actually. I think he actually did a bit of a step back of putting tariffs on the EU, but everyone is spooked. Nobody really knows what is going to happen. So, but this is an incredible run up on metals. Let's have a look at copper. I don't know if wow. Even copper is pushing off. So here there is a nice little bit, like there's a gap here. There's a gap in the price until the EMA, which is what I'm looking to fill. I want to trade into that gap, back onto that EMA. As you can see, every time it's hit the EMA on the 4 hour, we found a really, 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 really nice support, non-stop. So I'm gonna wait, see if we can get that type of trade. Don't know if it's gonna happen in this. EU is about to take that high. Yeah, it's I don't see buying up here. Buying up here is, for me, is difficult. I'm not saying it's not the right thing to do. At the end of the day, it's trending upwards. It's even silver, just keeps coming, keeps trending. Break underneath here, that might be a good opportunity to sell. Difficult. Hey bro, how's it going? What's going on? I think we are going to be sitting on our hands for this session. We can have a look and see what the FTSE is going to be doing. The FTSE looks like it wants to break higher, definitely. So there's the high. Ideally though, you've got all of this level that really needs to be a break. If this gets a hard break, then we can see about the retest. The retest long. Yeah, quite a slow day, man. Me too. It's been a very busy day. Obviously, we're growing here at FundingRock as well. So much more many more traders coming in, a lot more support, a lot of stuff that we're managing as well. Also the integrations with things like C-Trader, those are all things that we're hopefully getting. I keep saying it, I know boys, keep saying it. Hopefully we'll get them very, very, very soon. Because as much as I love trading with TradeLocker is top platform. I wouldn't mind getting my hands on C-Trader. I will keep that in mind, bro. I'll keep that in mind. So where are our pivot points on gold then? It's difficult. Would we call that a structure low? No, we would not. Look at this. It's crazy. From previous daily dip, if we apply fib extension ABC and another one from the breakout, 51116, 23 is meeting multiple extensions. Look like a good sell zone. Okay. I like this. This is nice. Yeah, I really like your method, what you're thinking about, to be fair, Jimmy. Fib extensions. You're talking my language. So you're thinking 5116 to 23. So this kind of like range. Yeah, so something around here. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, there you go, Ayan. And 1.5% drawdown as well, man. So fair play to you. Straight buy of euro. That's a really nice buy, 50 lots from the morning. So you got in this UTC quarter to one. So your trade would be a quarter to one. Where's UTC? Buy. So you buy right here. It's a nice buy. It's right in this area. Yeah, I can see why you would want to buy that. Break up, retest on the EMAs, and then slowly push off. There you go. Silver's taken the high, 7% on the day. Damn. Gold also looking like it wants to push to take the high out. Jeez. Is there anybody else in open positions? I don't think so. There is 167 people in here, to be fair. Okay, should we see who else is in here? Gul is about to take his biggest payout ever, I think. I think he's taking around about 14,000, if I'm not mistaken. He's done really well. Jones. Who else we got in here? A lot of people haven't actually taken a trade yet. Yeah, only a small amount of people have actually taken a trade. Wow, Silver's going for it. Silver's going for it. Let's see if we can get a break or if it's going to be a swing failure pattern. Don't know what my fascination is with trying to sell these. Why would I want to sell? I just find it, I can't be buying up here. Cannot be buying up here. Wonder what it would look like as well. It's gonna. That's a 12-month. God, that's 12 months. Each candle is 12 months. That's insane. Let me go on a monthly for a sec. Absolutely parabolic. Absolutely parabolic. Can have a look and see what news we've got. Economic calendar. So payouts. Yes, to start. Yes, you have. Yes. Open a ticket in the Discord and we'll sort it out. Gul, yeah. So okay, it's 12,300. Okay, I thought it was 14k. I thought it was 14k. Okay, we got quite a lot of news this week. Got Euro and employment as well. Put unemployment. We got Fed interest rate decision. Are they going to cut? Are they not? This week could be interesting. I wonder how much we're going to move just before, obviously, the Fed's rate decision in 2 days. Maybe we'll see a little bit of a rangy market until that happens. No idea. To be fair, I think it's time to do a duck race because, guys, there's not really too much that I'm seeing on the charts. I'm not going to stay on here. If I don't see anything, I'll just end up forcing a trade that isn't there. So let me get the duck race set up, get you all sorted with that, and then we'll get on. So give me 2 seconds while I sort that out. Euro CHF sells. Let's have a look at Euro CHF. Yeah. Nice, dude. Yeah, nice. Really nice. Everybody's probably flocking to CHF. Okay. Me personally, mostly I trade USD CHF. I trade FTSE gold, and that's really it. I used to trade a lot of GU, and haven't traded GU actively for quite a long time. But I tend to stay on those things. During the day, I used to have a little bit more time to trade, but recently it's just been really, really, really busy. So it's very difficult to concentrate on trading. Okay. Okay, I'm just getting this set up, guys. We're gonna do try and find a different race. Okay. Let me just double check that some of these are there. Okay. What I trade some of these only is just because I like trading them. I like the way that they move. I like the way that USD CHF is quite directional. It's really, really nice pair to trade, just in general. We're traders. We trade whatever we can put on a chart. That's it. Okay. Now before, because these are all the old, this is the old list as well. Sama, I'm going to take off because we can't find you. It's really important, guys, as well. Leave your emails, unless you're in the Discord. It's really important that you leave your email on Trustpilot as well, so we can actually find you. I'm just going to quickly go on to Trustpilot as well to see if we've got any new people. Yeah, we have got some new people, so let me add those as well. There you go. Zahir is in as well. There you go. Jassa. Harsh. Okay. There you go. So we've got them all in here. Here we go. Okay. So 61 in there. I'm going to put 1 minute on. Oops. You guys ready? Feel free if you want to do some side bets. We do take side bets as well. But let's go. Oh, here we go. Now, don't forget, guys, there is a trick to this. The first duck isn't always the winner. So, Daniel K, I know you're looking. I know you're at the front. I know you're at the front. But it doesn't normally happen like that. Always the people at the front don't normally actually get anything. It's always the duck at the end. I reckon this one. This duck right here. Who is this? Who is this? Daniel K. Is Daniel K in there twice? Daniel K is in there twice. Okay. God. There you go. We got Sir Jones. We got Abe. Victor. Go on then, Victor. Go on then, Victor. Actually, Victor's a friend of mine as well, so I don't know if we can give him a call. Yash. Oh, Trader A. Trader A. Well done, Trader A. Now, I'm going to put you in the Discord. If you're in here, then make sure that you've left... You either send me a message in the Discord, or you leave your details when I ask them on Trustpilot. You're going to get a message from Trustpilot to give us your email address. Once you give us the email address, then I'll be able to give you the account. Now, who else? Jan, you'll be Jan T in there. Okay, I've seen your name. So Trader A, let's see if I can find you in here. Anyway, 2-star, you'll be getting an account. I'm going to put everything in the Discord, guys. I'm going to reach out to you, Trader A, and make sure you leave your details with us. We'll give you about 24 hours to do that, and if not, then it will have to go to somebody else. And that's it, guys. So, well done. Thank you very much for being here. Sorry it hasn't been the most... No, so... We have to do 2 winners. No, we're giving one for... We're giving one to... We're giving one to 2-star because he really needs an account. We wanna help him out, so we're giving him one of those accounts, and we'll give somebody else an account today as well. Don't forget, this was because the trader from last week didn't leave their details on Trustpilot, and we can't get a hold of them. So this is why this account is getting given today. On Friday, we're still doing another duck race. Hopefully you guys will be there and somebody would win as well. Okay, so guys, see you later, and we'll see you in the middle of the week. Take care. Bye. That's it, traders. So if you're ready to take your evaluation, you can go in the link in the description. You can start today. But if you're here just for the content, then make sure you like and subscribe to make sure that you don't miss out on the future.